Hello everyone, this is Nishant Kamble, subject maths. We are learning our second lesson addition and subtraction. In that it is a fourth point. First point addition without carry, second point addition with carry, then subtraction without borrow with sin. Now today we are going to learn subtraction with borrowing. So that how to solve subtraction without borrowing, that examples how to solve that we have to see in this lecture. So here one examples I have taken. So before that I want to tell you places of the number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. This is Indian system number places. So in that up to 10,000 numbers we have taken. So subtraction with borrow, in that one example I have taken up to 10,000 numbers. So here one see there, what is this example? Subtract 45,898 from 84,354. So both are 5-digit numbers. So you know that when we have to add or subtract the numbers, that time we have to arrange that number in a proper column. So which columns will come in that? So that places ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. These 5 places will come. Okay. So I arrange that numbers. One more thing in that. See, subtract 45,898 from. That what is very important. From का मतलब क्या होता है? उसमें से माइनस करना है. So from 84,345. So what they are meaning in that? 84,345 minus 45,898. So I arrange that numbers same way. 84,345 minus 45,898. So first one we have to add or subtract the number. That time we have to start from ones place. So which is their ones place? Upside number ones place 5 is there. Downside number is there 8. So we know that upside number is called minus. That number is called subtrahend, and that is a difference. So before this lecture we seen that without borrowing, that example we seen that. Okay. So here ones place 5, there ones place 8. But here see why. Okay, what is a borrow? So see in that 5 and 8. 5 minus 8. It is not possible. Why? 8 it is more than 5. So what we have to do here? We have to take carry from next place. So once after which place will come? Tens place. So you have to take a carry from tens place. You have to take carry from tens place. So here I have written 5 minus 8. It is not possible. So borrow from tens. I have written there. Borrow from tens. See, so it's 4 tens are there. So that meaning is 4 tens. So 1 10 I have taken to ones place. So here 1 10 and 5 ones. How much is their total? 1 10 and 5 ones. So your total 15 ones are there. So 15 minus 8 it is possible. Here I did 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So what remain in that? 3 only remain. 3 tens remain. 1 tens we have given to ones. यहाँ का एक 10 हमने किधर दिया है? ones पे दिया है. इसलिए यहाँ पे कितने बचे? 3 tens. Now again here 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 also not possible. Why? 9 it is more than 3. But we can take carry. We can take borrow. So we have to take borrow from 100 place. So which is their 100 place? 3 is there. So that 100 you should take to tens place. So here 2 remain and that 100 here 2 tens. So 100 plus that 3 tens. 100 plus 3 tens, 130 will come. But you should take only 1 and here 3. So total 13 will come. So 13 tens. Here 10 tens plus 3 tens, 13 tens. 13 tens minus 9 is equal to 4. Here I did 3 minus 9, not possible. Borrow from hundreds. Borrow from hundreds. So here 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 hundreds. यहाँ का 10 100 उधर लिया है, so 13 hundreds. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Next one. Here how much remain? 2 hundreds. And here 2 minus 8 also not possible. 8 it is more than 2. Then we have to take carry from 1000 place. So which there 1000 place? 4 is there. So 1000 you should take there. So 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds are there. So 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, 12 hundreds. 10 hundred plus 2 hundreds, 12 hundreds. And 12 hundreds minus 800 is equal to 400. 2 minus 8 it is not possible. So borrow from thousands. So here 10. Why have I taken there 10? 10 hundreds are there. So 10 hundred plus 200 is equal to 1200, and 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 400 remain. Next place 1000 place. Now here how much remain? 3, and here is there 5. So 3000 minus 5000 is not possible. Why? 5000 it is more than 3000. So here 3 minus 5 it is not possible. Then we have to take a carry from next place. So next place which will come 10,000 place. So here 8 10,000s are there. So 1 10,000 we have to give to 1000 place. So 10,000 is there. 3,000s are there. So 3,000 and there 10,000 is equal to 10,000s are there. So 10,000 plus 3,000 13,000s. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. So here 3 minus 5 it is not possible. Borrow from 10,000s. So here 10,000s plus 3,000s is equal to 13,000s. Minus 5 is equal to 8,000. Next place now. 30 minus 5 8. Next place 7, and 7 minus 4 3. We have seen that here not required borrow. 7 minus 3 4 it is possible. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So here what remains? See 3 10,000s, 8,000s, 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So total answer is there 38,447. So easy how to solve the easy, that also I will tell you. So that step, after that step again examples are there. So not required that. You should solve like this only. So here 5 minus 8 it is not possible. We know that. I told you. So directly you should take carry. Means 1 only you should take. Here 15. 15 minus 8 7. Now here 3 minus 9 is not possible. Then again we have to take carry from next place. So here 2. That one here. So 13 minus 9 4. So here also 2 minus 8 it is not possible. Then again we have taken carry from 1000 place. So here 12 minus 8 4 is there. Next is there 3 minus 9 3 minus 5 also not possible. So again we have to take carry from 10,000 place. So here that one here 13 minus 5 8 is there, and here 7 minus 4 3 is there as it is. So 38,447. So what will come there? Answer subtract 45,898 from 84,345 is equal to 38,447. Thank you students. We see now subtraction with borrowing. Thank you everyone.